Hello guys and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to compress or make a zip file in Windows 10 without using any third-party software. So for that, select the files. I'm going to use these three files for this video purpose. Right click and go to send to and click on compressed zipped folder. Give it a name like test file. So to check it, double click to open. Here you can see that all these three files have been compressed into this zip folder. So that's all. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.